Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new here, I'm Liliana, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make this a beautiful buttercream cake with a fault line look. If you guys want to see how I made this, well, keep on watching. This cake is a 6-inch cake, and for the bottom part, the color that I use is a tan kind of look. And what I like to do, this is my little trick, is that I mix a little bit of cocoa powder to my white buttercream, and then you get that really nice tan color. So the more you add, the darker it's going to be. And this way it tastes not only so good, but it's actually better than just adding some gel food coloring. If you want a more depth color, you can also use a gel food coloring at the same time, but I wanted something more subtle, more like neutral, so I just added a little bit of cocoa powder to create that tan color. So I went ahead and first of all covered my cake in white, and then I did my crumb coat and then my second coat, and I made sure that the top is uneven. This time I didn't make sure that everything was nice and crisp. I kind of wanted that uneven look. I thought it was the perfect look for this particular vision that I have for this cake. So I did that. Once once everything was nice and crisp, I popped it in the freezer and made sure that it was chill. So once the cake at the touch, the buttercream was hard, well, not hard, but like has set, I went ahead and then placed that tan color at the bottom. And once again, I did not want it to be like all like one perfect line. I wanted that uneven look. And then once I had that, I went ahead and then just placed a cute little flower and then tied it with a tie, and that was it. I really wanted that perfect, like clean, simple cake for this one. You can also add a little bit of metallic paint, which I did. Just make sure that it is edible. There's a lot of product out there that are not edible, so just make sure that whatever you're using metallic paint with, whether it's the paint or the powder that you have to mix in with either vodka or lemon extract, just make sure that it's edible, that you have the label. Also, I forgot to mention, if you're using fresh flowers, just make sure that the flowers are not poisonous and that they're food safe. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell button so you get notified of all the videos that I put up. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.